Hello and welcome to what's going to be a look behind the scenes into my drifting with Team Redmist, and basically the behind the scenes maintenance and upkeep of the drift car, which is this Nissan 180SX. We're going to be showing you various bits and pieces, a bit of an update over the last couple of months. We've been to round 1 of the British Drift Championship. Jackfest at Silverstone. At Silverstone, and we've also had round 2 of the British Drift Championship. We also went to a Mihan day at Rockingham, which was basically a replica of the Mihan layout in Japan, which was really good. Did some backwards entries there and had a really good time. At the moment we're currently fitting or installing a twin plate extreme ceramic clutch. Shiny shiny. Because for this season we've upped the power. We're now running 470 horsepower, 450 foot-pound of torque, so we're pretty certain that an upgrade was needed from the old tired single plate clutch. So just to make sure that we've got reliability for the rest of the season, we're going to replace the parts anyway. So yeah, fitting the clutch. So the gearbox is back in the car with the new twin plate clutch all installed and tested and working. One more thing we've got to install on the car is a new short shifter, which we've bought from Keith Bart O'Shea. I believe he does the short shifters for BMW boxes as well as the 350Z box. So if you're in the market for one of those, definitely add him on Facebook and drop him a message. So we've finished installing the new twin plate clutch and we've put the gearbox back in the car. One more thing we need to install is the new short shifter, which I can show you here. As you can see there, it's got the lockout, so you can lock out the gears, so you can lock it between 3rd and 4th. So hopefully this will stop or prevent mis-shifting. So we're going to mount this to the car. And then once the twin plate clutch is bedded in, we'll be testing it at JDM Combe in 2 weeks' time. So we finished installing the short shifter. As you can see here, you can just about see there, if you pull up this plunger, select first, and then you can go second gear, and as you go into third, the plunger goes across and locks it, so that between fourth and third you can't miss shift. You can't downshift from fourth into first by mistake, it would go straight ahead into third. Obviously that's good if your gear ratios are perfect for third and fourth gear use on a drift track, which mine aren't unless it's the higher speed tracks, so I'm not quite sure how we'll get on with that, but we'll see. It's certainly a nice shifter. First, second, third, fourth and sixth we can select fine. Reverse we can't get at the moment for some reason, so we need to do a bit more fine tuning of the selector. And also we're going to make up a new bracket with an aluminium bracket we made. It's flexing, it's not quite strong enough, so we're going to make up a mild steel one, and yeah, hopefully that will be sorted. So in the next episode, the next instalment, we'll see the fabrication and the making of the new shifter bracket, as well as some other stuff as well.